In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways to allow your students to have read alouds on Chromebooks for map testing. So this is all inclusive of any student that has read aloud accommodations that is not in kindergarten through second grade, because if they're in kindergarten through second grade, they should be utilizing the K2 growth test, which is automatically a read aloud. Your Google administrator will have to be present for one of these options to work. So the other option your students can do ahead of time before they actually start map testing. So I will quickly show you that tutorial, and then I will get into the more complex version, which is how your Google administrator can turn Chromevox, which is the extension that reads the map testing application aloud. They can turn it on or off. So first things first, students are going to have to log in. So your read aloud students, you will have to have them log in to access this. So they are going to chrome.google.com/webstore, or you can just Google the Chrome web store as well. So either chrome.google.com/webstore or Chrome web store. Okay, either way will take you to the same exact place. So I'm going to click on the web store, and I'm going to come up to the search the store, and I'm going to type in Chrome VOX, Chromevox, like V as in Victor, OX, okay? Click on that, and then you are going to see this Chromevox extension. This is the one you're looking for, a screen reader for the web, and you are going to hit Add to Chrome. So again, this is what your students are going to be doing once they are logged into the Chromebook. So they also have the ability to do this. So I'm going to hit Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and you can see
feedback is ready.
It's reading, and the little icon populated up here. So if I have a student that had to use it for map testing, they are literally going to
tab.
Go to teach.map NWEA.
NWEA login.
And you can see that it's actually
test player
starting to read aloud everything that's on my screen anyway. So once your student finishes map testing, in order to not drive them absolutely crazy, you're going to want to have them remove it from Chrome, and then they will install it again the next time they do map testing. Your other option, which should already be set up for you, is to have your entire school have Chromevox, and then just have your students that don't need read alouds use that application button on the Chromebook. So it's right here. So they hit apps, and then they would hit map, and then Chromevox should not be reading to them because it's not associated with the Chromebook. It's actually just associated with the student account. So again, students that need read alouds, have them log into the Chromebook. Students that do not need read aloud, we'll just hit apps and go to the map testing app, okay? Our other option is to push Chromevox out to all of our scholars. So that might be something that needs to happen if you have a lot of students that have read aloud accommodations. So I'm going to go to admin.google.com, and it is going to ask me to log in. And only certain people in your building have access to this. So there's probably only one or two folks that have access to this. If you cannot identify who has access to this, let me know, and I can make the setting change for you. Most of your schools should already be set with Chromevox set up, but just in case you want to double check, you are going to go to Device Management, User Settings. There's a couple of things that you're going to want to look for. So right now we're under staff. We do not want to push the Chromevox out to staff. So I'm going to minimize that. I'm going to come down to students. I'm going to select if I'm in an elementary school, middle school, or high school, and then I'm going to select my school. So once my school is selected, I am going to see all the settings for Chromeboxes that are here, or Chromebooks that are here. Once my school is selected, I'm going to see all the settings for Chromebooks here. I'm going to scroll down until I see a section called Apps and Extensions. And you will see that we have a forced installed apps and extensions piece. Allow all apps and extensions, okay? So I'm going to force installed apps and extensions. I'm going to click on Managed Force Installed Apps. So these are things that we are pushing to the student's computer. Okay. And we are going to come to the web store and search for Chromevox. And you can see Chromevox here, and it's already added to Ashley Park, okay? So that means students that are in probably see the Chromevox extension. If it's not there, I'm just going to hit Add, and it's going to populate over on this side, okay? So I'm going to hit Save again, and then all updates that have been made will be pushed out to student computers instantaneously. So again, you have the option of going through the Chrome store for your scholars or the admin console, the Google Ads.
Feedback is ready.
If you do go through the admin console, there are going to be students that are getting Chromevox that do not need access to it.
Web store.
So you are going to have them right-click on this little icon that looks like a man speaking, and just simply hit Remove from Chrome. And then that Chromevox extension will be gone. And it is that easy. Please let me know if you have any questions.